Hi guys, we're going to the party again.
I'm thinking if I got the lollipop.
Yesterday we just went from party, and 12 o'clock. And doon namin it's only 12 o'clock, we already there. And birthday.
Don't touch, please.
Other don't touch, will be broken, baby. And then 12 o'clock we already there. And celebrate home. 12 to 12 in the night. Yeah, Drew, we're going home. Yeah, it's not finish this one. I told you don't touch this one. It's not allowed. You're not listening now. Even your car, you cannot touch that one. So, yeah. So, see you there. See you there. Ewan ko sa'yo. Charot. We see you in Anisha party. So, ito na guys. Ito na kami. Ito na yung best friend ni Andrew. So beautiful. Wow! She's a celebrant today. And it's best friend. Andrew, don't friend.
Tanisha's acting like a baby.
No.
But
she's a baby. Andrew, don't touch Anisha. Okay? Wow, it's a rainbow. Look, it's a rainbow. Wow, it's so beautiful, the celebrant. Wow, the celebrant is so beautiful. Hello. Wow. Ah. Very good.
Look, I have a baby picture here. This is so old phone. The cover change. Look.
Let's go now. Come on.
Baby. This was 2019. I was born in 2019.
Ay.
There again and for my birthday. You want to go there my birthday? No.
Nakahawak ng flower. Pero hindi sa akin. Ang swerte naman ng baby ngayon. Ang bata pala. Pag nagbi-birthday, nagkaka-flower na sila ng ganito. Ayan ang celebrant. Hi, celebrant! Ah, so cute! Oh, wow! Where? Mermaid! Yan guys. Sulitin ko na mag-video ngayon guys. Kaya mamaya, hindi na ako makapag-video kayo. I'm sure may tugtog maka-copyright ako. Ang ganda nga dito. Wow. Ang ganda ng pagkaano. Sakit. Ano nila oh. Yan guys oh. Hi, Baba. I love you, Baba. Wow. Cute ng di ba? Mermaid talaga siya. Mermaid talaga siya. Mermaid talaga. Wow! So beautiful!
There you go. So guys, we will start our first game. Okay, we do have some exciting prizes. Alright. Wow, yes, we do have some exciting prizes for you guys. All you have to do is participate and what else? Listening to the instructions so that you can get those prizes. There you go. Let's go, kids. Come on. Let's go. If you are ready, everybody say, Happy birthday. Ready, steady, go.
Happy birthday!
Alright, so I guess everyone is ready. So, our first game will be the longest happy birthday. Alright, so once again, since we are celebrating Vanessa's first birthday, we're gonna do the longest happy birthday. So how are we gonna do the longest happy birthday? Listening ears. Show me your listening ears. Show me, show me. Where are your listening ears? There you go. So, all you have to do is that to say happy birthday, but then the catch is you need to make it long, okay? I'm gonna give you a sample. Alright? So this is how you're going to do it. Happy birthday, Vanessa! Yes. What's your name, handsome boy? Charlie. Oh, you're so cute, Charlie. Can you do the longest happy birthday for your friend Vanessa? Alright, let's do it. Happy birthday, Vanessa. Everybody listen to Charlie, okay? Show me thumbs up if you're listening to Charlie. Good job. Alright, happy birthday, Vanessa. Ready, steady, go. Happy birthday, Lisa. Good job. Give me high five, Charlie. There you go. Please receive that, my love. Alright, so kids, listening to Joyce. Alright, show me your listening ears if you're really listening. Show me your listening ears. Where are your listening ears? So, guys, you need to beat 5 seconds. Alright? Make sure that you will beat 5 seconds. Okay? Give me thumbs up if you can beat 5 seconds. Ready? Alright. Who am I gonna pick? I guess the ones with the Barbie dress. You look like a Barbie as well. What's your name, my love? Neva. Neva, beat 5 seconds? Yeah? Alright. Happy birthday, Vanessa. Steady, steady. Happy birthday, Vanessa. Go. Happy birthday, Vanessa. Now let's go, my love. What's your name? Yawa. Alright. Happy birthday, Vanessa. Ready, steady, go. Happy birthday, Vanessa. Why you guys are always having 5 seconds? Let's try another one. Let's go. So you need to beat of your friends. They all have 5 seconds. Make sure that it will be more than 5 seconds, okay? Can you do that? What's your name, my love?
Rian.
Alright. Rian! Ready! Steady! Happy birthday, Onisha! Go!
Happy birthday, Lisa.
Wow! Good job! Give him a round of applause, guys! Come on! Good boy! Behind Mark. Thank you. Please be seated, my love. Alright. Who doesn't have a turn? Alright. Come on. Alright. What's your name, my love?
Samira.
Elvira. Happy birthday, Tanisha. Ready, steady. Happy birthday, Tanisha. Go.
Happy birthday, Hanisha.
Thank you so much, my love. Give her a clap. Oh my goodness. Next. Who doesn't have a turn? Yes, my love. Let's go. Why you're so pretty? What's your name? What's your name?
Phil.
Everybody, let's give her a round of applause. Let's go. Make sure that you will give 5 seconds, okay? Okay. Let's try. Ready, steady. Happy birthday, Alicia. Ready, steady. Go.
Happy birthday, Anita.
That's okay. Alright, guys, we are still having 5 minutes, okay? 5 seconds. We have 5 seconds to beat. Who else? Come on. Let's go. What's your name? Alright. Let's go. Happy birthday, Anisha.
Anissa, go!
Happy birthday,
No, like-
Anisha. You will
Ang tatyan ng drink ko. Oh no. Oh. Still drinking. Smile. High five. Good girl. Mermaid. Mermaid. Stand up for the mermaid. Stand up here. Hi, Khan. Adru, I remember him. Adru here. Adru, look, Anisha. Oh, thank you. Badinu. Thank you. What you eating again? Yes, lollipop junk food. Where is Anisha? No, later. Yeah. Wait, Andrew, wait. Andrew, go. Andrew, look, Anisha always smiling. Andrew, go. Look, Anisha always smiling on the picture. Hey, what are you doing? What is that? Jump. Oh, no. You're doing danger, you know. And you have lollipop in your mouth. How is the lollipop bang and here and going inside to your mouth? It's not good. Just cover it up. Just cover it up. Ah, don't go there.
Okay, see you again.
You'll go home now. Huh? You'll go home. School tomorrow.
Do you have it with
Madam.
What are you doing?
Careful, your flower. Careful your flower.
I'll get her.
So nice. Where's Andrew?
क्या मैं बिके नहीं मार्केट में फूल?
मैंने अभी 10 लिए थे, मैंने बेच करके मैं अभी 3 लाई हूँ।
क्या?
50. Wow, dumami yung flower ni Adro, guys. And guys, dumami yung flower ni Adro. So much fun. Adro, go there.
You're going?
Yeah.
No, don't go. Stop before seeing me. I want to get something.
Wait.
Don't anymore. Just one.
Just what? Go and sit down there. Look. See, Uncle give me that banana. Uncle give all for you and for me. Shit. Islam. You didn't say bye-bye to Hanisha? Huh? Did you say bye-bye to Hanisha? Oh no. Hanisha is very busy, no problem. I don't know because... Oh, it's so hot. You want to play more? No, you need to go home. Let's go. Ganda dito. Uwi na kami, guys. Tapos na ang ano. Let's go home now. Let's go home now. Bye. It's okay. We will message to Hanisha. We will message to Hanisha on WhatsApp, okay? Said, Hanisha, I'm home. Hanisha, I'm home. I didn't see you when you... No, she's taking picture with another guest. So... Bye na. Come on.
One more. Last.
Happy birthday!